Do you think that Richard Branson built his business on his own? Well, think again. If you dig deep enough, you're going to find a business mentor or a coach behind every successful leader. So in this video, I'm providing you with 7 questions that you can ask to find the best coach or mentor for you. So question number 1, do they have a specific communication strategy? One that's going to work for you. Question number 2, do they have a strategic system and structured program that you can follow along and take gradual steps? Question number 3, do you trust them? Is this someone that you can let into your life and know your deepest, darkest secrets and help you to be at your highest and best? Question number 4, do they inspire and motivate you? Is this someone that can help you keep motivated and taking gradual steps towards your goals and creating the life of your dreams? Question number 5, do they have what you want? Do they have the skills, the knowledge, the experience, the objective perspective that's going to help you to get what you want? Question number 6, do they support you in being guided by your trusted source, by your inner guidance, your inner intuitive system? And question number 7, do they have the experience, the testimonials, the validation that proves that they can help you take your business to that next level that you want to go to? So once you've done your research and asked these 7 questions, pick a coach, roll up your sleeves, and get moving.